Scoop4Kids!
Did you know a smart computer helper might have designed your favorite sweet chocolate treat today?
Yes, artificial intelligence is a super smart computer program that helps scientists invent everyday things much faster. Instead of mixing ingredients for years, computers can predict the best recipes in just a few seconds.
Famous companies already use this cool tech to make your minty toothpaste keep your breath extra fresh. AI can predict exactly how many bubbles your shampoo will make before scientists even mix it.
Do not worry, humans still do all the final smelling, tasting, and testing in the real laboratories. It is a wonderful partnership of smart computer brains and amazing human creativity working together. That is today's Scoop. See you tomorrow for another Scoop4Kids adventure.